Hello and greetings everyone. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. In this video today, we're going to look at what's happening to the market. And let's get some clarity out of this. We're down 7.56%. This comes very abrupt. Bitcoin is down to 42,000 right now. Ethereum is at 2,200. And to look at it even closer on a daily basis, Bitcoin was still over 45,000. Not even 2 hours later, it hit 40,000. It was a really sharp decline, obviously, as you see here. And for the largest market capped cryptocurrency in the space, for it to lose so much value within 2 hours. To get this, let's start from the beginning. So the world's largest asset manager initially planned to purchase 10 million worth of Bitcoin on January 3rd, which is today. However, reports indicate that they had postponed the purchase of it. How convenient is that? And they adjusted the schedule for Bitcoin ETF seeding. Now they rescheduled it for January 5th, which is on Friday. And again, Bitcoin had climbed like over 45,000, and within 2 hours it crushed down to 40,000, as we see here. So it was at 45,000 before it rapidly within 2 hours crashed all the way down to 40,000. The news is Bitcoin spot ETF's proposal might be rejected. Well, based on Matrix Port, this crypto space is really geared with emotions, fear and greed. So all this build-up was all based on anticipation. BlackRock is really strategic. Unknown to many, BlackRock's been purchasing Bitcoin in the background. They've been accumulating throughout the bear market. It all started with the BlackRock and Coinbase partnership to buy Bitcoin. That was back in 2022. So with the help of Coinbase, they launched a private trust in 2022, allowing BlackRock to navigate the market without public scrutiny. So they used Coinbase, of course, because Coinbase, meanwhile, has established itself as a trusted and secure platform for digital assets. And what's interesting here is that BlackRock had announced a partnership with Coinbase that will provide common clients of Aladdin and Coinbase access to the digital assets trading lifecycle through connectivity between Coinbase and Aladdin. As we know, Aladdin clients are huge institutions, including Alphabet, which is the mother company of Google. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, all asset managers, governments. Aladdin is a software that has such strong financial data. They'll be connecting this powerful software to Coinbase's trading platform. Back to the accumulation. So why did BlackRock decide to discreetly open a trust fund and accumulate all these Bitcoin during the bear market? This is because their strategic moves aligns with the long-term investment philosophy of BlackRock. Every move they make is calculated and strategic. So BlackRock's private trust was not merely a speculative venture during the bear market, but a carefully planned strategy in anticipation of the approval of the Bitcoin ETF. Once more, BlackRock's discrete accumulation of Bitcoin through its private trust during the bear market just highlights its strategic thinking, and the use of Coinbase as their custodian and the timing of the accumulation suggest carefully planned approach. They had already launched a spot Bitcoin private trust for their US clients. All the moves they make are strategic and calculated. And if we look at a 1 week chart right now, you see that on the 3rd, Bitcoin was hovering way above 45,000. Why would they want to purchase Bitcoin close to its all-time high for the entire 2023 year if they can get it for cheaper 2 days later? For those who still believe that Bitcoin can't be manipulated or Bitcoin is not in the hands of Wall Street already, think again. Like we discussed in our last video titled Wall Street Control over Bitcoin, and that community tokens will dominate this bull run cycle. This is exactly the reason why Bitcoin has been really compromised, and as we see, Wall Street has inside information. They've been already accumulating Bitcoin since 2022 using a private trust. BlackRock initially planned to purchase $10 million worth of Bitcoin today, January 3rd. However, abruptly, they decided to reschedule it. Next thing you know, the market drops over 7%. This is the news for today, to just highlight and make some sense out of the market's drop. With that said, I want to wish everybody a wonderful rest of their day. And as always, let's keep in touch.